KBSX stock analysis and KBSX stock predictions. In this 1 minute video, I'll show you whether this thing is a buy or not for me. First of all, FST Corporation. I don't know why I'm even making a video on it. There's just people wanted my take on it, so let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to use my strategy that I've refined over the last 48,000 videos over the last 5 years. Not a financial advice, it's just what's worked for me. Personally speaking, KBSX, it's a very bearish market. I mean, I've stayed more so on the bearish side, and you can see, I mean, I do have some previous YouTube videos, seems like, me being bearish. And I couldn't agree with myself more. I mean, it's true, you know, it went down quite a lot. And here's the proof of me calling it down the time before, right? What's this thumbnail? So yeah, it was 396, was aiming for like 130, 130-ish a year ago. And this is exactly what has happened. And, you know, since then it's been going down. I have nothing bad against this ticker. It's just that it's in a bearish range, you know. For me to ever look for this for like a bullish opportunity or something similar, it will have to be breaking about 178 really. So I wouldn't be randomly buying up until that point. But other than that, I mean, there's a big question mark whether we start seeing breaks about 178. From the fundamental side of things, nothing crazy going on. I mean, I would really have to have some crazy catalysts for me to pull that trigger on the long side. And, you know, I'm talking about a double break sort of deal. But now I'm chilling, you know, I'm looking at other tickers. So stay tuned. If you want to get the free sauce, click the first link in the description. Want to make that more of money? See you in the next one.